This is the circuit representing our major project, emergency ambulance. Now, the question arrives in our mind, why emergency ambulance is required or designed. So, the idea comes from the terrific accidents which are happening these days, and people die due to no ambulance or medical facilities because they don't reach in time. So, we have designed the emergency ambulance which gets the information as soon as the accident occurs and try to reach at the spot as soon as possible. Now, in this we fix a buzzer, an LCD, LED and these switches in the ambulance. This buzzer is used for the siren, LCD to display the place of accident, LED to show the danger and act as red alert, and the switches to control the traffic signals. Now, the traffic signals the traffic signals present here can be shown by the LEDs and they can be controlled by the switches present here. These are the switches which will act as the sensors on the road. Now let us start the demonstration of the project. Now suppose an accident has occurred at a place, for example Satkar, then these are the switches which will act as a sensor and will send the danger signal on the LCD of the ambulance and send the showing red alert will be blown. In response to it, OK button is set which tells that the message is received. On the LCD, the screen displays danger Satkar. So that means the accident has occurred at the place Satkar. Now the ambulance will leave for the spot by clearing the traffic on the routes by the respective switch. Example, if forward path has to be cleared, the upper switch will be pressed and the green LED will start glowing and all other LEDs will glow red. Similarly, if the left hand side traffic has to be cleared, then the left hand switch will be pressed and green LED will start glowing and all other LEDs will glow red. Thus, by clearing the traffic, it will reach to the accident spot and will help the patient. So, this is the demonstration of our project. Thank you.